Mutugo wa Kenya wa gweterithiria nginyagia ndagika ya mwisho niguo mahingie wendi wa anyabari ao umuthi ni wiyonanirie kiharo-ini kia Nyayo riria aruti a wira a maofici matiganite ma mathako marutururirwo niguo kuhe kamweke uthondeki weru wa nyumba ici. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa Sport Kenya Ciama Odimu, ene ofici ici mahirwo maromo thami mwaka muthiru mweri wa kenda no matikoretwo mathamite.
Issued them with notice last year September. And it was 3 months notice and they were supposed to vacate in December. And some of them have vacated, some have taken their time. But when they saw the bulldozers the other day, they started leaving. We haven't forced people actually.
Ona kuri uguo Ciama ni ariganite na ataramu aria marahunjia muhuhu ati kiama kia mathako guku bururi-ini nikio Sport Kenya ni gikirire muhuthia wihaririria-ini uyu.
We are ready. A lot of people have been saying that we are not ready. Really, it's because of the government circle. You know, you can't tender this, the works before, according to procurement rules, you must be having the money. So once we had the budget this financial year, that's when we started tendering in June.
Ciama oigete thirikari ndiri na nganja ni ikaheo mweke wa gutabania mbitika ici mwaka turorete, akiuga wira uyu ndukuoya ihinda iraya. Wihaririria uyu Sport Kenya maugite ukorwo urikirire gwikinyiria mweri wa 11 riria atabariri a CHAN makorwo magikwa guthurima iharo ici. Ngiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV kuma ku kiharo-ini kia Nyayo ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.